video na to at i-review natin ang Multibank FX na broker kung legit ba siyang broker. Forex broker review number 1, si Multibank FX. Si Multibank FX po ay itinatag noong 2005 and according to forexbrokers.com, may good variety of regulatory licenses siya and considered trusted with an overall trust score of 84 out of 99. So good siya doon. Marami nang nag-review sa kanya at trusted naman siya. So authorized siya ng mga Tire Commission katulad ng ASIC or yung Australian Securities and Investment Commission, ng MAS or yung Monetary Authority of Singapore at saka ng European Union. On the downside, Multibank's market research offering is limited po. At saka yung educational materials niya ay consist lang ng mga short form videos. Yung spread ng standard account niya medyo mataas compared sa mga ECN niya, pero yung ECN niya naman medyo mahirap mag-open ng account doon kasi $10,000 yung kailangan mong account deposit. And then kay WikiFX rating niya naman po, ito, ang sabi ni WikiFX, the rating for Multibank Group